let's play a little game. I show you the image obtained with the electron microscope, and you guess what's in front of you. Ready? Go! So, what are you looking at? What is it? Paper? Tree? Cellophane film. The correct answer is ordinary office paper, format A4. If you look closely, you can see the cells in one place. These are cells of a tree. Probably in this place, there's a tiny wooden particle left in the paper. Next, what is it in your opinion? A sponge for washing dishes, maybe cloth. In fact, it is butterfly wing scales. They are such porous straps for light. Surprisingly, it is because of them that the butterfly's wing has different colors. How does this happen? Perhaps I'll talk about this separately in another episode. Next object. Here you'll never guess. This is not a fishing net, but stockings for women. An ordinary thing looking so interesting under a microscope. And this? I'll give you a clue. You use this item every day. You can guess. It's a toothbrush. Even under a microscope, it is difficult not to recognize it. Probably just like this. Again, I'll give you a clue. This has to do with clothes. So, this is a Velcro fastener, invented in the middle of the last century in Switzerland, and actually replicating the plant burdock. And finally, the last shot for today. Also, a household if not ordinary thing. Everyone has it in their house. Haven't guessed? They're particles of pepper and salt together. The round ones are pepper, and the cubes are salt.